Hello, welcome to our Share Wireless News. I'm Roberta Prescott and I am CTIA 2013. I'm interviewing Michael Morgenstern. He's principal at CSMG. And we are going to talk about the implementation of telecom analytics. Nice to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
So what, in your opinion, are the key points when carriers are implementing telecom analytics tools?
So there's a big challenge with legacy systems and identifying the use cases for real-time analytics. Big data is a hot word, but carriers are struggling. They're working on it, but maybe they've struggled in the past with identifying where they can implement faster and faster analytical tools, kind of to get to the point where they're looking at real-time dashboards and making changes kind of in real time. So there are a lot of legacy IT infrastructures, and stopping any of that legacy work in order to create a faster real-time system is a big challenge. So there are opportunities to come layer in new pieces, but there are also opportunities for carriers to figure out how to use analytics going forward.
And another turning point is that carriers need to use these analytics at real time. Are they doing that? What's your opinion about that?
So everybody's interested in it, and most of the major carriers have taken steps toward faster and faster decision making and more analytics with the goal to get to real time, but it's rare that anybody's there currently in any reasonably big way. So there are some pilots going on for very specific business cases. My firm does some of them, but again, more in Europe than in the US, but it's on everybody's radar screen.
And you said about IT legacy. When talking about telecom analytics implementation, who do you think inside carriers will take leadership? CIOs, CMOs, CTOs?
Yeah, it should come from there, but it doesn't. It's much more grassroots with kind of business owners, product managers, strategists, kind of having a particular problem to solve, and then wanting to be able to do that and iterate and know what's going on constantly. So they try to get a real-time system or toward a real-time system for that particular process. And CSMG and our parent company, TMNG, offers a platform for carriers to do this for many problems rather than for particular points. And when that happens, then it's a much higher level conversation. And each firm comes from a different place. In many cases, it's the CIO, but not always.
And to finish, what are your recommendations for carriers that are willing to implement telecom analytics?
So best practices that we've seen involve not replacing the legacy systems. We're not telling our clients to go build brand new huge systems. We offer a cloud-based SaaS platform that can pull information out of the legacy systems without interrupting any of them, and then provide real-time analytics for a whole range of problems and questions to solve. So we think that's the best practice. If you look at how the industry has changed in the last 2 years, many companies have begun to do it. We've worked with half of the major carriers to do it.
Thank you a lot.
Oh, thank you.
Follow us at oursharewireless.com.